Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make spinach and dal. This is an everyday comfort food and it can be served along with a bowl of hot rice or you can serve it with hot rotis. Sometimes you can just have this as a soup also. I am going to use fresh spinach today. You can use frozen spinach if you don't have the fresh ones. To make this spinach and dal, we need spinach. I've taken one bunch of spinach. Keep the spinach in a bowl and wash it for 3 or 4 times in water. We need 1 onion, 1 tomato, half cup of tur dal, 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 red chilies, 2 green chilies. For seasoning, we need oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, turmeric powder, jeera and hing. First, let's cut the spinach. Remove the bottom part of the spinach and chop the spinach into small pieces like this. Spinach is a good source of magnesium and it's low in calories and it's really good to control blood sugar level. It contains lot of vitamins and minerals, so please add this to your diet. After cutting the spinach, you can transfer it to a bowl. Wash the tur dal and keep. Chop the onion and tomato and you can slit the green chilies, and when everything is ready, you can start the cooking. I am going to cook this in a pressure cooker. So switch on the stove on medium flame and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pressure cooker. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Ghee gives a great taste for the spinach and dal, and I usually add ghee to flavor my dal recipes. When the oil and ghee gets hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera and little bit of hing. Heat the oil until the mustard seeds start popping. You can add the chopped onions to the cooker now. Cook the onions for 3 minutes or until it becomes transparent. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to this now, or add salt according to your taste. Split 2 red chilies and you can add this. Add 2 green chilies to this now. I usually add 2 red chilies and 2 green chilies. You can add just green chilies or just red chilies, which is also fine. Red chilies usually give a sweeter taste and the green chilies give a hotter and spicy taste. So I usually like to use both chilies for this recipe. Add the chopped tomatoes to this now. After adding the tomatoes, cook this until it becomes mushy. Today I am going to use spinach, but you can add any leafy greens to this recipe and everything turns out really good. Add the chopped spinach and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of the pressure cooker, if you are going to use an instant pot, use the saute mode until you add the tur dal. And after adding tur dal, you can change to pressure cook mode and cook for 10 minutes. When the spinach is reduced to half its size, You can add the washed tur dal to this. Mix it well and add 1 cup of water to this. Taste and see if you need more salt at this stage. You can add salt if you need some. Bring the contents to a boil and close the lid. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles depending on your pressure cooker. After 4 whistles, you can switch off the stove and leave it until the pressure releases by itself. Make sure the pressure is fully released and then you can open the pressure cooker. Be very careful when you open the pressure cooker because the contents inside are very hot. See how nicely the spinach and dal are cooked. You can mash it with the masher to get a smoother texture. Now that it's done, you can garnish with some cilantro and enjoy the dal with some rice. Your world famous spinach and dal from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. You can add some ghee and fry some poppets and you can really relish the dish. Make this at home and I can guarantee you that you're going to love this recipe. Thank you.